Unboxing of handheld wireless detector. Detector host. Cable. Charging compartment. Built-in replaceable lithium battery. Charger and buckle. Press the bottom button to open the rear cover. Take out the charging compartment and install the battery. Battery arrow pointing upward. Install buckle. Type-C interface. Turn the button to turn the detector on or off. Adjust the volume at the same time. Open the device and connect to the app. The app can be set in multiple languages. You can change the voice setting, warning duration, power saving mode, adjust sensitivity. When a drone is detected, an alarm will appear on the phone. The device will vibrate.